Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
سبح لله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم.
All that is in the heavens and all that is on earth extols Allah's glory. He is the most mighty, the most wise.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا لم تقولون ما لا تفعلون.
Believers, why do you profess that which you do not practice?
كبر مقتا عند الله أن تقولوا ما لا تفعلون.
It is most loathsome in the sight of Allah that you should profess what you do not practice.
إن الله يحب الذين يقاتلون في سبيله صفا كأنهم بنيان مرصوص.
Allah indeed loves those who fight in His way as though they are a solid wall cemented with molten lead.
وَإِذْ قَالَ مُوسَى لِقَوْمِهِ يَا قَوْمِ لِمَ تُؤْذُونَنِي وَقَدْ تَعْلَمُونَ أَنِّي رَسُولُ اللَّهِ إِلَيْكُمْ فَلَمَّا زَاغُوا أَزَاغَ اللَّهُ قُلُوبَهُمْ وَاللَّهُ لَا يَهْدِي الْقَوْمَ الْفَاسِقِينَ.
And call to mind when Moses said to his people, O my people, why do you torment me when you know well that I am Allah's messenger to you? So when they deviated, Allah made their hearts deviant. Allah does not direct the evildoers to the right way.
وَإِذْ قَالَ عِيسَى ابْنُ مَرْيَمَ يَا بَنِي إِسْرَائِيلَ إِنِّي رَسُولُ اللَّهِ إِلَيْكُمْ مُصَدِّقًا لِمَا بَيْنَ يَدَيَّ مِنَ التَّوْرَاةِ وَمُبَشِّرًا برسول يأتي من بعد اسمه أحمد فلما جاءهم بالبينات قالوا هذا سحر مبين.
And call to mind when Jesus, son of Mary, said, O children of Israel, I am Allah's messenger to you. I verify the Torah which has come before me, and I give you the glad tidings of a messenger who shall come after me, his name being Ahmad. Yet when he came to them with clear signs, they said, This is sheer trickery.
ومن أظلم ممن افترى على الله الكذب وهو يدعى إلى الإسلام والله لا يهدي القوم الظالمين.
Who would be more unjust than he who invents a lie about Allah, the while he is being called to Islam? Allah does not direct such evil-doing folk to the right way.
يريدون ليطفئوا نور الله بأفواههم والله متم نوره ولو كره الكافرون.
They seek to extinguish Allah's light by blowing with their mouths, but Allah shall spread His light in all its fullness, howsoever the unbelievers may abhor this.
هو الذي أرسل رسوله بالهدى ودين الحق ليظهره على الدين كله ولو كره المشركون.
He it is who has sent forth the messenger with guidance and the true religion, that he may make it prevail over all religion. However, those that associate aught with Allah in His divinity might dislike this.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا هل أدلكم على تجارة تنجيكم من عذاب أليم.
Believers, shall I direct you to a commerce that will deliver you from a grievous chastisement?
تؤمنون بالله ورسوله وتجاهدون في سبيل الله بأموالكم وأنفسكم ذلكم خير لكم إن كنتم تعلمون.
Have faith in Allah and His Messenger, and strive in the way of Allah with your possessions and your lives. That is better for you if you only knew.
يغفر لكم ذنوبكم ويدخلكم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار ومساكن طيبة في جنات عدن ذلك الفوز العظيم.
He will forgive you your sins and will admit you to gardens beneath which rivers flow. He will lodge you in excellent mansions in the gardens of eternity. That is a supreme triumph.
وأخرى تحبونها نصر من الله وفتح قريب وبشر المؤمنين.
He will also grant you the other favor that you desire, help from Allah and a victory that will come soon. Give glad tidings of this to the believers.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا كونوا أنصار الله كما قال عيسى بن مريم للحواريين من أنصاري إلى الله قال الحواريون نحن أنصار الله فآمنت طائفة من بني إسرائيل وكفرت طائفة فأيدنا الذين آمنوا على عدوهم فأصبحوا ظاهرين.
Believers, become Allah's helpers, as Jesus, son of Mary, said to the disciples, "Who is my helper in calling people to Allah?" The disciples had responded by saying, "We are Allah's helpers." Then a section of the children of Israel believed, and a section rejected the call. Thereafter, we aided the believers against their enemies, and they prevailed.